Hi everybody, I am here today to talk to you about my name. My married name is Amy Marie Drury. I was not named after anyone in my family, so my name is an original. Although my mom did tell me that she had the name originally picked out as Angela Faye. I do have two older brothers, and so she was going to name them Angela Faye had they been girls. But by the time I came along, she said I didn't look like an Angela Faye. And the middle name Faye actually came from my great-grandpa, who came over from Ireland when he was just a little boy. His first name was Faye. But she said whenever I arrived, I did not look like an Angela, so she decided to change my name to Amy. And she said she didn't know anybody named Amy, but liked the name. My great-grandmother, Grandma Hawkins, helped her with my middle name, Marie. And when they named me, my maiden name is Amy Marie Young. And actually, my initials do spell my name, my maiden name. Amy, A for Amy, M for Marie, Y for Young. So that was kind of unique. So I decided to stick with that name. So what does my name mean? So the Latin definition for Amy is beloved. And actually, when I told my husband this morning, he rolled his eyes. So that was kind of funny. I don't guess he agrees. I do like my name. I feel like it fits me. I do have a couple of nicknames that my friends have called me over the years. Aim, Ames, Amesy, and Mimi is actually a name given to me by my nieces and nephews when they were really young because they couldn't say my name appropriately. They couldn't say Amy, so it turned into Mimi. So I kind of like that. I thought it was cute. I would not change my name. I feel like it fits me. It's short and simple. And like I said, whenever I had my maiden name, it was pretty unique because it spelled my initials. I actually got in trouble a couple of times at school when they said to put our full initials on the paper. I would spell my name, and I would have to explain it to them, and a lot of times it was just kind of funny. But that is the history of my name, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.